In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about listing upgrades. Upgrades are additional features you can either bundle in with listing packages or sell separately with each listing. Let's take a look at where each upgrade is displayed. If a listing has the featured upgrade enabled, it will show in search results with a red ribbon and can be found using the quick filter tools. You can also display featured listing on your main pages using Elementor display options. If a listing has the sponsored upgrade enabled, it will show at the top of search results above the search filters. Just like the featured upgrade, you can create your own pages in Elementor and use the display options to display sponsored listings in other areas of your website. If the homepage upgrade is enabled, listings will display on your homepage. Make sure if you are using this upgrade option that your homepage has display blocks set to show homepage elements. The Boost upgrade is the only upgrade that works differently. This upgrade is displayed in the user account page if they have active listings. It will allow them to boost their account, showing one random listing at the top of all search results for the duration of the upgrade. If you found this video useful, please let us know by liking and subscribing so we can keep making new videos for you. Thank you.